Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an E-mini trading room recap for Tuesday the 11th of February, and today was another interesting day in the markets. We can see slight gap up, and then the market actually just moved higher from there. Today we had 4 trades. We were 3 for 1 and ended up pulling 5.5 points out of the markets. And we pretty much did most of it on our last trade, which was very interesting. Our first trade got short pretty much very close to the open, and price chopped around a little bit and stopped us out of that one. Very interesting. Then we did get short again over here, which we did take some profit on the way down. Our next trade, we kind of watched this a little bit and got long over here, so we were able to take some profit on. And our final trade was a long right over here. We got long and price just took off, and that's one of those trades that it just turns out awesomely, and we were able to make most of our profit on this trade because we had the loss early in the day. So that's a great example of just having the mindset of a trader and being able to persevere through adversity. Your first trade was a loss, you chalk it up, you still have the rest of the day, and we were able to pull out 5.5 points. 4 trades, half a point is much more than enough to pay for the commission. So it turned into a really nice day, and that's really what I try to talk about all the time, having the correct trader's mindset, being able to have your plan and just go through it, and that's what I teach, as far as traders in the room, coaching clients, is just being able to objectively look at each trade individually, and is it a good trade, is it not a good trade? And then after you're done, maybe in hindsight you took a trade that wasn't a good trade, maybe you took a trade that was a good trade, maybe it worked out, maybe it didn't, but having that mindset gives you that ability to look at each trade objectively and on an individualistic basis. You can identify and then attack, basically, and that's what we did today. We pulled most of our profit out of this last trade, and it's a great example. I really wanted to highlight it, talk about it a little bit today, because I think it's very important. Yeah, if you make money on every single trade you make, yeah, that's great. But if your first trade is a loss, how do you react to that? And that's really what does define you as a trader. I'm not the best trader out there, and I never claim to be. But I think I know a little bit about a little bit, and I'm able to make a little bit of money at it. And that's really what's important. Trading is a very difficult business. It's not easy, no matter what some people tell you. It gets easier, but it's still difficult. You trade 10, 15 years, and you still have trouble. That, at least I do anyway. But anyway, hopefully you got something out of what I was talking about today. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.